Alright, we are currently at the gym, and this represents the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And in the rough ER, protein synthesis takes place. Ribosomes are bound to the outside of the organelle, and they deposit the protein inside the organelle where folding can occur. As you guys can see, this protein is unfolded and cannot do any work. So we are about to watch this protein be deposited by the ribosome into the rough ER. As you can see, it is folded and can now do work.
The nucleolus is a dark-colored region in the center of the nucleus that is responsible for the creation of ribosomes and then shipping them out through the nuclear envelope into the cell's cytoplasm, where they will serve as sites for protein synthesis. The nucleolus is like a cookbook in a kitchen in your house, where the cookbook tells you how to make the food, and then you cook the food and you send it out throughout the rest of the house.
What you cooking?
Oh, you know, just some of my all-time favorites.
Chloroplast is an organelle located inside plant cells only. They take in solar energy and carbon dioxide to produce glucose and oxygen. This process is called photosynthesis. This calculator uses the solar panel to take in solar energy to make energy for the calculator to perform its function.
The cytoskeleton is a structure that helps cells maintain their shape and internal structure, kinda like support beams on a cool fort. As you can see, the chairs in this case would be the cytoskeleton that hold up the fort, keep its structure.
Alright, this change machine represents the powerhouse of the cells, the mitochondria. And this organelle performs cellular respiration, which takes oxygen and glucose to produce ATP. These can be used to power other things like integral proteins or other organelles to make the cell function.
The nucleus is a membrane-wrapped organelle that lies close to the center of the cell and is responsible for all of the cell's functions. It houses DNA, which is the information for the cell on how to live and reproduce. It also is the site where RNA binds to DNA and then leaves the nucleus to go to the other parts of the cell. It also protects DNA. This is the courthouse, which houses all of the laws for our society and tells our society how to exist.
Lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles, and they are the stomachs of the cell. They digest and recycle waste. They do this by having digestive enzymes such as lysozymes inside of the bound structure. That process is also known as autophagy.
Autophagy.
This dumpster is like the lysosome because it too has the waste of the skull. The skull can be the cell, and this is the lysosome for the cell that has the waste.
The plasma membrane is the outer part of a cell that protects the inside organelles from the outside environment. It is made of a lipid bilayer that is semi-permeable. It can provide some structure to the cell, allowing it to maintain its shape, and it also acts as a door, allowing stuff to come in and out from the cell.
This post office box represents the Golgi apparatus. And what it does is modify proteins with glycoproteins for it to be prepared to transport to other organelles or outside the cell. So I'm going to put this protein into the Golgi apparatus. The protein came out as a modified protein to the destination of where it's going to go.
The smooth ER is an organelle whose main function is to create lipids and hormones for the rest of the cell. We are at the Tyson chicken plant currently. And the Tyson chicken also has lipids, so they're making lipids and it has a lot of hormones in it. So they're making lipids and hormones to ship out as well.
He clearly has a lot of rage and testosterone going on. So does Jackson. This is the vacuole. It's a large membrane-enclosed fluid-filled sac of the cell. It acts as a storage container for the cell. This is the membrane of the enclosed organelle containing water.
Centrioles are paired, barrel-shaped organelles located in the cytoplasm of animal cells near the nuclear envelope. What they do is they basically take charge of cell division by going to the top and the bottom of the cell and separating it, like such. One from the top, one from the bottom. Boom! Boom! Make sure they're the same, and they have 2 cells.
Just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. Guess you didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. You said forever, now I drive alone past yours.
Y'all got it. Come on, go. Yeah, jump. Oh my god, you suck.
I got you.
I got it.
Oh, you got it?
Ready?
Wait, let me take video of you then.
Okay.
Oh, here, let me try.
I got you.
I got it.
You already missed everything. It doesn't matter, go.
Yeah, well, let's leave.
Arik, what was on that envelope anyway?
I don't know. Let's see.
Alright.
The One Piece! The One Piece is real! Can we get much higher?